must, will go down in the history of this beautiful tournament. What a match. Not only a cliffhanging, nerve-jangling finish, but what an incredible, spectacular, memorable comeback by the home team, the Telugu Warriors. They were dead and buried, but what a remarkable, spirited reply, and of course, spare a thought and commiseration for the Bhojpuri Dabangs, who were so close to victory, having done so much, but somehow went down in this historic match. Well, you all saw it. I just want to thank all those at the stadium here. Thank you for turning up. Hope you enjoyed the match. And of course, all those who watched it on television or other devices. I'm so glad, and I know that you'll be glad, that you were a part of this historic match. Let's get to the presentation. It's very late, so I won't take too much time. For starters, a big thank you to all our sponsors. And then, of course, an introduction to the presentation party to my left. To begin with, we have the MD of Rika Valley, one of our major sponsors, Mr. Arfat. Hope you enjoyed that match. Thank you for your support. To his left, a huge name in Telugu cinema. From the Telugu Warriors, Nikhil is here with us for the presentation ceremony. And to his left, we've got the co-owner of the Bhojpuri Dabangs, Mr. Rahul Mishra. Mishra ji, next time, next match. That's why they call you the Dabangs. You'll always come back. So let's get that smile going. Let's get to the awards. We have 3. To begin with, a little bit of good news for the team that somehow went down in this match. The award will be presented by Nikhil. I think it's poetic justice that he will give this award to the man who, particularly in the first innings, bowled fabulously. The skipper of Bhojpuri Dabangs, Manoj Tiwari, wins our Best Bowler of the Match award. Manoj, I know this is a very small consolation, but well bowled. Unfortunately, couldn't do it with the bat. And better luck for the next match. Let's move on to our Best Batsman of the Match. The award will be presented by Mr. Rahul Mishra. And it goes to a man who scored virtually half his team's runs in the first innings and a pretty good hand in the second as well. The skipper of Telugu Warriors, Akhil Akineni. You can take this one too if you like, but well done. I'm sorry, not much of a chat, but we'll have you quickly thank your supporters particularly, because it's so important for them and in looking at what might happen tomorrow. You need to draw them back, and you did it in great style.
Yeah, I think tonight is an example of what can happen in this game. I'll quickly conclude by saying Manoj sir has always been such a respectable opponent. I know that we love playing him. Thank you, sir. I just want to say this match will go down in history in CCL for us, so I'm happy it happened with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Akhil, that was very generous of you. Thank you. Deeply appreciated that gesture of sportsmanship. Which brings us to our last award. It is our Man of the Match, be presented by Mr. Arfat. And I suppose there were many, many claimants. But eventually, because of his devastating spell at such a key moment, Sachin Joshi will pick up that award. Well done. Also co-owner of the Telugu Warriors. He'll accept that award from Mr. Arfat. Now, I know it's very late in the day. I'd love to have talked much more to some of the Telugu Warriors, indeed Sachin or, of course, Manoj, but that's not to be, not for us tonight. So a big congratulations to you, Sachin, once again. Keep going. And, of course, the Telugu Warriors register their first win in season 11 of this beautiful CCL. Thank you for joining us for the presentation ceremony. A big thank you to the guests and the presentation party. Back to the commentary box to wrap up this remarkable historic day.